My next performer, don't go anywhere. The music is far from complete. We have maybe 6 or 7 really blockbusters coming your way. I'm going to present to you another fabulous talent in the rubber band, along with John Martin on the keys. I invite my next performer, Kishore Kumar, on stage. That's why I said he's a fabulous talent. He keeps raising his. So everybody gives it their 100%, and you can see this on stage as well. But before that, every band needs a Sachin, but every band also needs somebody who, like a Rahul Dravid, who stays there, who guides us through, who's there time and again. So I want to bring a case study before you all of you, very proudly before I do this. This gentleman standing back, please come first. I'll tell a quick 30-second case study about this guy. This guy has been working in the RBC Falcon team for the last 2 years. 2 years, okay, and he's been a key member. He's been the leading keyboardist of the band. We have Sai as the other one, but he's been really fascinating. Every Monday has to happen only with him. There's no other choice. There's nobody else to play keys. Sai keeps coming and going, but still, he's been ruling forth as the keyboardist. He works in the Falcon shift, which starts at 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. and goes on till 4 a.m. So every Monday for the last 2 years, he's been coming to office at 11 a.m., practicing till 12:30, coming and performing till 2 o'clock, has lunch, goes to the gym, and then goes back to his shift, finishes and goes back morning the next day at 7 a.m. It's just not 12 hours, it's 17-18 hours a shift that he's been doing for 2 years, and it's ridiculously amazing. That's the kind of inspiration that he's given us to try and perform. John, you're an inspiration to all of us. Thank you so much.
We love you.
John Martin, ladies and gentlemen, keyboardist. Please give it up for him. And I leave you all to sit back and get mesmerized with Kishore Kumar Sukumar. Check. Check.
Stands correct.
துன்பத்தை தொடராது
They have a lot of fun in what we do. All of us try and do that. You'll see a lot more action on stage. Thanks a lot, Fanish, Shini, Sujit, Hemant, thanks a lot. I'm sure the music will reach you wherever you are.